1990 Cadillac Brougham in beautiful black, gray interior. This car has the 5.7, power steering, power brakes. We'll take a look under that hood and start it up here in just a bit. Chrome on this car shows very nice. Grille looks beautiful. Classic Cadillac emblem. Again, following this video, if you have any questions, again, feel free to give our sales associates a call, 507-386-1726. And you can find this car and a host of others, along with still photographs and more information on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a quick spin down the passenger side here. You do notice the lock-in hubs, and the tool for that is located in the glove box. Tires look good, actually. Dated 2015. Continue to make our way down the passenger side. Some very, very small wear that you could expect from a car that's 36 years old, but man, this car looks great. If you've never ridden in one of these, it's like riding, and I use this term all the time, it's like riding on a magic carpet. Incredibly smooth ride. And they become more and more popular. Spin around the back. Chrome shows nice. This does have a clean Carfax and just over 46,000 miles. Techs noted that the brakes pads 75% front and rear. Car cleaned up nice. Our techs also noted that the rear wheel cylinders have been replaced. Clean Carfax, if I've mentioned that already. This car is in great shape. I'll give you a quick peek inside here. Everything you'd expect from a classic Cadillac. Power windows, power locks, power seats. Our techs did note that the tilt on the passengers, or the driver's front, is inoperable at the moment. Everything else working. You can see cruise, tilt steering wheel. Clean glove box. As I mentioned, we do have the tool, and that is included with the car for the lock-in hubs. I want to give you a real quick look at this immaculate interior. Very well maintained. You can see the reading lights up there in the back. Let me give you a quick spin in the back here as well. Very clean. Really, really nice. This black sets beautifully over the top of this gray interior. In fact, I'm gonna jump in here and give you a look at the dash from the back seat. Like I said, a one-of-a-kind ride with these caddies. You say we start her up. All right, let's see if we can give her a quick start here. There you can see the mileage, 46,140. AM, FM cassette player. Let's take a look under the hood. There you have it. That is the 517 air conditioning works. It's been converted to 134. Runs smooth. Okay, quick spin around the back. Sounds nice. Again, any questions? Our sales associates will be happy to talk to you, man. 507-386-1726. Visit us on uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll find this car and a host of others. And you want to stick around, because right after I wrap this up, Jason's going to take it for a drive. And remember, you can find a bunch, and I mean a bunch, of still photographs, even with it up on a rack, if you visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube, where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a black 1990 Cadillac Brougham, a four-door luxury machine with a nice gray interior that goes well with the simulated wood and chrome. Digital dash in this Cadillac. The digital fuel gauge shows 3/4 of a tank. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles on it currently. Digital speedometer and turn signals indicators are working. We also have turn signal indicators out on the front fenders. When was the last year for that? It must have been the 90s. Most likely. And that prominent hood ornament out on front. The horn's working well. The radio sounds good. There's a little bit of sagging on the headliner. Not enough to come down very far. Very nice condition otherwise. Leather seats, multi-position power adjustability. The wipers work as they should. Cruise control functions as it should. A luxurious smooth ride. Smooth braking. The brake's nice and straight. Doesn't pull any direction. Excellent power steering. A quiet ride you expect from Cadillac as well. Corners luxuriously. Pretty strong acceleration as well. Find all the pictures of this 1990 Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com.